Yo, welcome to the Wall of Hype. This is Renee. This week's featured artist, Mike Jordan from Jordan Custom Kicks. Alright guys, let's get into it. Before anything guys, just want to make sure that you guys hit that subscribe button, that like button. Follow us on IG at wall_of_hype. Follow us there, like us, leave comments below as well. Email us, DM us if you know any artists out there that deserve some recognition. Let us know, hit us up, get a hold of us. All right, guys, so let's get into this week's artist, Mike Jordan. The first pair of shoes that we're going to start with are these Jackie Robinson Adidas Cleats. The biggest thing about these shoes that just caught the attention, yes, it's Jackie Robinson. Yes, there's a message, but it's just the portrait. The ability to put a portrait down on some cleats to give it that effect. The message behind it. I gotta say, this one just is a little bit different. I just love portraits, and to me, this is one of Mike's best works. So, here's another view of the shoe. This is just sick. This is dope. Super dope. The next pair of shoes that we have, well, actually, it's not just one pair of shoes. It's just the Mamba, you know. It's just the Mamba shoes, plural. We have these. We have these. And we have these. So, you know, man, I'm a Kobe Bryant. Kobe Bryant is my all-time favorite basketball player ever. May he rest in peace. So anything that has Kobe on it, man, they're just gonna get first place for me all the time. So, you know, and not just because it's Kobe, but if you look at this, it's another portrait. It's all portraits. Young Buck Kobe, number 8, and the older, more seasoned Kobe, number 24. The vet. Dope ass portrait work. You see this one here? After his passing, you know, him and his daughter Gigi. These are just dope shoes. The artwork is just, man, Mike kills him on these, with these portraits. I mean, I don't know, man. These are sick. So the third custom I have here is a Nipsey Hussle, another artist that has passed on. But if you just look at the shoe itself and what it has, you know, just the color, the texture and all that, and how he made that work. So the placement of it, the selection of it, of the actual image he uses, it fits very well. The color he chose, it just flows right in and works with the actual shoe he put it on. It wasn't a forced image. It's the right image. And that's why I like these kicks. As you can see a little bit more. It's just hard. It's just dope. Dope ass work. Big ups to Mike Jordan, man. Seen his work. I knew I had to follow him. I knew he had some stuff. Great artist. Great artist. Great artist. Great work. Quick recap. We have his Jackie Robinson. We have his Kobe's. We have his Nipsey. All three great pieces of work. Keep the work going, Mike. Keep the work going, man. And with that, this wraps up this week's edition of Wall of Hype Featured Artist, where we showcased artists' work. If you happen to know an artist or a few artists that deserve some recognition, that deserve to be put on a platform so that other people can see his work, hit us up, drop us a comment below. And as always, guys, it's a pleasure. Please subscribe. Let us know how we're doing. Let us know what we can add. Just give us some feedback, good or bad. We'll take it. All right, guys. Peace.